Oh man, got our bait.
That must be one hell of a catfish. Oh, here he is. Perfect.
Oh God!
Right here, right now. Jump right here.
You tired him out, man.
This is just it's the smallest one I ever caught.
My God, look.
Come on, Rick. Reel.
Now.
Oh, God.
Bill, you got double duty there. This is tough.
Try and get a better picture. Okay?
Okay.
There you go, right there.
Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down there, it's better. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, out in the sun they slave away. While we devoting full time to floating under the sea. Now the fish is happy.
You don't want to piss off
The fish on the land is happy. It's hot 'cause they in the bowl, but fish in the bowl is not.
Oh man, he's got some choppers.
Highway point toward me again.
One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you've got to be honest.
Game's on.
Under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in
I think
fricassee.
of the party boat. Son of a-
We what the land folks loves to cook. Under the
Got
sea,
it.
we after hook. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Seems like
Oh,
it's
that's good size.
we got the behavior naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they did the earth and start to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. Didn't play the flute, the cop played.
Got it going. We got it going on, man.
Oh, there he goes.